Hello and welcome back to Thinking Out Loud. I challenge perceptions through education and humour, empowering others to be more disability confident. Catch the Eurostar from London St Pancras into Brussels. You'll then take a second train from Brussels to Ghent. We got special assistance because, for those that don't know, I'm completely blind. I do have a guide dog and my partner did come with me, but I've never been on the Eurostar, neither have they, and so we thought it best to book special assistance. They were absolutely fantastic and I couldn't recommend them highly enough. I would definitely recommend a walking tour for any new city or country you visit. Stephen, our tour guide, was absolutely fantastic, and as a blind woman walking around a city I've never been to, learning about the history and what went on in the past as well as in the present of its city really made it come to life, even though I cannot see the architecture, although I do hear it's beautiful. There's some pictures, a couple of snippets of Stephen telling us some anecdotes, and that's about it really. I'm going to link the full blog below for reviews, prices and everything we got up to, so please go and check that out if you are interested.
Church, we can see the spire of a church here, St. Jacob's Church, and 22 years ago a hot air balloon got stuck on the tower of the church. Because people had to make an emergency landing, probably try to reach the square here, but that did not work out. So they got stuck, and it was a big thing to get those people off the tower again. First they tried using a large crane, but that did not work out. Eventually a hole had to be made from the inside through the roof of the church there. The people making the balloon trip, it was a couple. They were about to get married. They were celebrating their engagement. It must have been an idea of the girl to make a balloon trip, because apparently as they got stuck there, the boy was afraid of heights. Just a little bit, he had vertigo a little bit. So anyway, they had gone for a balloon trip and they got stuck on the church's tower. When the hole was made, after a couple of hours of work, I imagine the boy, instead of letting his girlfriend go first, like a gentleman, he just pushed her side, jumped into the arms of the rescuing firemen. The girl did not really appreciate that. No. Because the point is, those two never got married. They were celebrating their engagement, but marriage never happened. Some people claim the girl started a relationship with the balloonist, and those two did get married. And there is a romantic end to the... Maybe the boy got married to the fireman, it's also possible.
That'd be cool.
There's a poem about how the Skeld and Liz, as a man and a woman, they come together to make love, and out of that love making the city of Ghent was born.
Oh, that's nice.
That's the poetic version of how the city came about.
Here are some pictures of our food at Mimi Gusta. The food was delicious, the atmosphere was very welcoming, but unfortunately it doesn't seem to be wheelchair accessible. What do you think of this restaurant so far? And what do you think of Belgium so far?
Very Belgian.
Here are pictures of our food at Belga Queen. I hope I'm saying that right. This is more of a high-end restaurant, and the staff and the food was absolutely divine. I would definitely recommend it, and the best part is that it's wheelchair accessible. are some pictures of our room at Stanton We Love Ghent. Our room was very spacious, the bed was very comfortable, we even had our own balcony looking down onto the gardens of the outside bar. The rainfall shower was also large and luxurious, and we would definitely recommend staying if ever you're in Ghent. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please do go and check out the blog. I discuss everything in more detail along with prices and my thoughts. If you like this, please consider subscribing. Leave me a comment of where you've been and if you've ever visited Ghent, and I shall see you next time. Bye!